as you all know, we have started our next chapter, that is basic geometrical concept, and till now we have learned many other shapes. Okay, we have seen triangle, square. Yesterday in our first video we have learned about a circle. In that we have seen about chord, segment, diameter and radius. So let us revise previous topic, that this is the center of the circle. Yes, this is the center, and one diameter we are having. The diameter name is AB. Now why we are calling it as a diameter? Because this line is crossing through the center of a circle. So this is the center of the circle, and this line we have got as a diameter. Today we are going to see relation between radius and diameter of a circle. Now first thing you understood, this is the diameter. When a line divides a circle into two equal parts, we call it as a diameter. And what about radius? Radius is the line that comes started from the center till the end of the line of a circle. So this half line is the radius, and this full line we call it as a diameter. Now let us see the relationship between diameter and radius. Now some given things are here, like center is O. Yes, O is written in the center and the circle of a center named as O. Then AB is equal to the diameter. Yes, AB is the diameter of this circle. Now OA and OB, radii of the circle. Now where is our OA? This is our OA, okay, and this is our OB. So OA and OB, OA and OB, radii. This is the plural form of a radius, okay. When one radius is there, we call it as radius. When more than one radius is there, we call it as radii. So OA and OB is the radii of the circle, and yes, both the radii are equal to each other. Means this OA and this OB both are equal. Now therefore they are telling, like, this is the AB. Yes, two radius we have there, OA and OB. So AB, this diameter, is equal to OA, this OA plus OB. Yes, AB. Now again let us see, AB is equal to OA, this portion, plus OB is equal to AB, right? Next thing, OA. Okay, this is the OA plus OA. Now why I have written again OA here? Because we know OA and OB are equal to each other. Okay, OA and OB are equal to each other. That's why we have written OA plus again OA. This OB we written as OA. Why? Because OA is equal to OB. And then the next step is 2 into OA. Means twice we have to return the radius. It means 2 multiplied by OA. Why? Because OA is written twice here. Understood, children? So this OA and this OB together becomes A and B. This was the first concept, and therefore our formula is, now see on this side, our formula is becoming diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, this is our diameter, AB is our diameter. And what is the formula for diameter? If we want to know the diameter of any circle, 2 multiplied by radius. How? What is the radius here? Here the radius is OB, and when 2 radius we form, diameter we get. Okay, when we multiply both the radius together, we got diameter. And then the next formula is radius. Now how we got radius? We got radius is equal to diameter upon 2. We got radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Now here we have to do division. Here we have to do multiplication. Like if we want to know the diameter of any circle, we have to multiply 2 and with the radius. And if we want to radius of a circle, we have to do division there. What we will do? We will do the diameter divided by 2. This is the formula for diameter and radius. Now children, see first example. The first question is given. Find the diameter of a circle with radius 6 cm. Now here what you need to find out? You need to find out the diameter. This is not given. This you have to find out. It's a question asked. And what is given? Radius is given. Okay, radius is given. Now what is the radius given? The radius is given 6 cm. Okay. Now this is our solution. This is our answer. What is our formula? Now diameter we have to get. So diameter we have written here. Now what is our formula? Our formula is 2. So we have written 2 here. Then next we have to do multiply. Again we have to multiply here. And what is the last option? That is the radius. So this is the formula we have written. Now in this formula we have to put the sums only, means number. Now 2 is written as it is. From the formula 2 will be written as it is. Then again the sign of the multiply. Now radius. Radius is given 6 cm. Okay. In the question only radius is given 6 cm. So we have written here 6. And see, in this circle also this is our radius. Okay. In this circle radius is given 6 cm. So again we have written 6 here. Now let us do the multiplication. Simple multiplication. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 cm. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 cm. So this is our final answer. Means this diameter is equal to 6 cm. Okay. Let us give some name here. If we are giving name L and M. So LM, this diameter LM is equal to 2 into 6. Okay. Now LM is equal to 12 cm. So OL will be 6 cm and OM is equal to 6 cm. Together it becomes 12 cm. Now children, don't get confused that ma'am is written multiply here and here ma'am is showing addition. No, this is the twice of this. Okay, this twice means 6 2s are 12. And this is the half part of the circle and this is the half part of this side. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. This was the first example. Now children, in your first example we have to find out the diameter. Okay. And here we have to find the radius. Now listen it carefully children. This is example number 2. Here find the radius. Now radius we have to find. Radius is not given of a circle with diameter 36 cm. Now here diameter is given and we have to find out the radius. Now again we have to put some formula. Now what is our formula here? Formula is radius is equal to. Now this is the thing which we have to find out. So radius is equal to, what is our formula for that? Diameter upon means divided by 2. This is the first step of your solution. This is the first step of your answer. Every time whatever they have asked you to find out, you have to write the formula first. So this is the formula for radius and is equal to diameter upon 2. Now put the given things in the formula. Now what is our diameter? Diameter is given 36 cm. Okay, diameter is given 36 cm. So I am going to write here 36. Then again this line will come as it is. And which number is given below? The number is given 2. It means 36 divided by 2. When you are going to divide it by 36 by 2, the answer will come 18. Okay, because 18 2s are 36. So our final answer is 18 cm. You will see here children also, if this total length of this diameter, this L and M is 36 cm. So definitely this OL will become 18 and this OM will become 18. So OL plus OM is equal to 32.